by prepping our vegetables. First we're going to scrub and trim up everything. So you want to just scrub around and to get any dirt from that. And then trim off any bad looking spots. We're going to leave the skin on because the skin has some good nutrients in it. But we want to make sure there's no dirt or anything like that. For the kohlrabi, or if you have parsnip, we'll just chop it, not chop it, but leave it in big chunks. Okay. For the potato, just scrub them up to make sure there's no dirt. We're going to leave the skin on it because, like I said, the skin has some good nutrients in it. And normally you'd go by the sink and wash up these vegetables in the sink, but for purposes of showing you, I'm going to do it in a bowl of water like this. Just chop those potatoes into large chunks. You don't have to be too picky about it. Okay, and for the carrots, we'll wash those up. We're going to leave the skin on. So you want to just scrub off and make sure you get any dirt. We'll remove the tips and the ends. And for the carrots, we're going to chop them up small, not so large. So quarter the carrots like this. Using a large knife, a large bladed knife is good. And to get good stability, you can hold the knife like this. Hold on to pinching the blade, and that gives you good stability while you're cutting. And you can get a good chop. Now when you're chopping, never go straight down like this. It's too hard to work. Always keep the blade moving in a slicing, rolling fashion like that. Okay. We'll quarter the carrot. Like so. And then chop it into medium-sized pieces. We want to chop these carrots smaller than the potato and the kohlrabi because we're going to be browning them a little to bring out their flavor, and that'll make the broth taste good. Continue that with the rest of the carrots.